I'm grateful.
You're here for an appointment?
No. Is this the main hospital?
No, this is not an emergency room.
Is this the main hospital?
It's not a hospital.
What is this?
It's a nursing facility.
No, I'm saying there's a Governor Hospital.
Around the corner is the clinic. This is two separate parts. That's all I was asking.
Does the clinic have an emergency room?
No.
So it's not an actual medical center?
No.
What is
It's
it?
like clinics, like if you want an appointment or something like that.
Okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Closed.
You can't be recording.
Why not?
Because you can't be recording.
How
Do you
come?
need help with something?
No.
Okay, so are you trying to go to the other side?
No. I'm just
Okay.
recording.
No, but you can't come in and just record. It's either you're here to
Why not?
visit. Are you here to visit?
I'm here to record.
Central, can you turn so
Of
please?
course, they did not consult the nephrologist.
Oh, I'm in route.
25 ICU stations.
Who'd you call, your supervisor?
Suction.
Yeah, you need help, or
I told you already, I'm recording.
but you can't just come in here and just record.
Why not? Did somebody tell you that, or you just making that up?
I'm not making it up.
So why would you say that?
Because what are you recording for?
So the reason why I'm recording depends on whether I can record or not?
No.
So
She's
what are
gonna
you
help
saying?
you.
I don't need nobody's help. I told you already.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Hey, Cameron. I said this is an emergency room, but I can just record it.
Yeah.
All right, guys, lock in. Because this one starts calm, then spirals fast. A man walks into what looks like a medical facility, asking simple questions, getting simple answers. No shouting, no chaos, just a camera and a quiet presence. But the moment the lens comes up, the mood flips like a switch. Staff get uneasy, voices tighten, and suddenly, you can't record becomes the first weapon they reach for. Not the law, not policy explained clearly, just pressure. And in places like this, pressure is how rights get crushed.
Were you just at Roberto Clemente?
What's your name?
Were you just at Roberto Clemente?
I'm not in the mood to answer any questions.
All right. But you can't be recording in the medical facility, though.
Why do you say that?
HIPAA violation.
That's not true.
Yeah.
It's not true.
Patient.
Do you know what HIPAA protects?
Yeah, medical records.
Right. You see any medical records out here?
Some people don't want to show their face. They don't want to,
HIPAA doesn't protect people's faces.
it does.
Not in public.
This is in the
HIPAA
public
protects.
facility.
HIPAA protects
This is
the.
a skilled nursing home.
HIPAA,
clinic is on the other
HIPAA
side.
protects the doctors from taking pictures of the patients, not the public
Not
taking
doctors,
pictures in
everyone.
public. No, that's not true.
Yeah.
Search it. Google if HIPAA protects people's faces in public. Because if I was on the sidewalk, I could record everybody's face that walks in and out this building. Is that protected by
Could I ask you
HIPAA?
why you're recording?
And I can't violate HIPAA because I'm not HIPAA trained. I'm not HIPAA certified. You know who can violate HIPAA?
I'm notifying
The
you right now.
doctors. I can't violate
I'm
HIPAA.
notifying you right now.
Only people that can violate
You
HIPAA
could
is the
violate it.
doctors. No, I can't.
Yeah, you could.
No, I can't.
Everyone's.
No, I'm not HIPAA certified or trained.
Could I ask you
how am
why
I
you're
gonna-
recording?
You can ask me why, but I tell you I don't feel like answering any questions. I'm just peacefully exercising my rights in a public area,
Could I ask you to leave?
which is protected. You can ask me anything. You can ask me to smack myself.
Are you gonna leave?
I'm conducting business. Are you
What's your
denying me?
business here?
You see, I'm taking pictures and videos of the wall, the paintings. And did you know that there's a Right to Record Act? That's a law that says that I can record peace officers in the course of their duties
Record me all you want. Just don't record the
from
building.
public.
Don't record the building.
The building's public.
No, it's not a public. This is not. I'm telling you right now.
It's
this is not
privately
public.
owned?
Yes.
This side, this is what I was trying
So
to
New York
explain.
City Health and Hospitals is private?
It's two different sides.
Really? The city's private?
This is a skilled nursing home.
New York City is private? I thought New York City was public.
It's two different sides.
This is New York City. You're New York City Health and Hospitals Police. You think they're going to put New York City Health and Hospitals Police in a private facility? Why would they put public employees in a private facility?
It's still a private facility.
No, it's past this point. It's
We're
private.
public workers, but this is a private
And this is a
facility.
public lobby. No, it's not.
Yes.
It's a publicly owned facility. It's funded by taxpayers. It's owned by the city, by the public. I'm not going anywhere I'm not allowed to be.
Call PD.
What are they going to do?
Fine.
But you're a peace officer. You don't know?
No, I told you already. I told you.
What did you
everything.
tell me?
Either you're gonna leave yourself, or you're gonna be escorted out.
Why would they escort me out?
I informed you can't be recording here.
Why
You
not?
have no business.
Why not?
You have no business.
The first officer steps in and tries to shut it down immediately, calling it a medical facility and throwing out HIPAA like it's a magic spell. But the man doesn't fold. He pushes back, hard. He challenges the logic. HIPAA protects private medical information, not random faces in the lobby. You can feel the tension rising because the officer isn't arguing facts. He's arguing discomfort. And when an authority figure replaces law with feelings, that's where the damage begins. The camera isn't the threat here, ignorance is, and it's loud.
I told you my business
You're
multiple
not visiting,
times.
You're not working here. You have no business here. You're just recording. So
Did you know
right
that?
now you're
Did you know
trespassing.
that? No, I'm not.
You know.
In public?
I've
I'm
informed-
trespassing
you're
in
not
public?
This is a lobby, right?
What? A private lobby or a public lobby?
This is a private lobby.
It's a
The
public
lobby
lobby.
is on the other side. This is the two buildings. You're on the public side right now. Private side right now.
This isn't private. The public can come and gather information
I'm
here.
telling you, this is the private side.
If I want to come get information on how I
You have
can
no
send a
business.
family member here, I can do that.
Yeah, but you don't have to.
You're just lying on camera.
I don't care.
Oh, the camera will show multiple times I stated my business. Multiple times.
You refused
I did.
to
I said I'm
say your
recording.
business.
And I'm recording a peace officer in the course of their
Point
duties.
that at me all day.
Yeah, I'm protected right now.
Yeah, but you physically being here is trespassing right now.
No, it's
I
not.
informed you.
How did I get in? Was it locked, or was I able to walk right in?
Any building you can walk right in.
No,
Doesn't
well,
mean it's public.
this is publicly owned. It's funded by tax dollars.
So
It is,
jail,
right?
You
So
can walk right into a jail.
And there's secured areas. Like you see that says, attention, this area is closed to all visitors. If I go back there, that's trespassing. This is a public lobby where the public can come in and seek services.
Family members.
Seek
and
information.
employees.
If I want to get information, I can come in and get information.
information?
Yeah, that's part of my business.
What do you need?
Part of my business is to see how you act at work, take pictures of the beautiful lobby, get some public information, and then be on my way. That's business. That's business. Why don't you? That should have been the first question you asked me.
What do you need?
I don't want to deal with you. You're rude, and you don't seem educated on your job. You don't know what's public, what's private. It's a public lobby.
What information do you need, though?
You're good.
All recording sign?
No, but pretty much you stay in this lobby area. Just inform them, can't be anywhere else. Okay. But healthcare facility.
Now the conversation turns into a tug of war over one thing, public versus private. The officer insists the lobby is private, even while standing under the banner of a city health system. The man keeps hammering the point. Taxpayer-funded, city-owned, public access, public business. He's not back in restricted areas, not past locked doors, not harassing patients. He's standing in an open lobby documenting what he can see. But the officer doesn't pivot to clarity. He pivots to control. Leave or be escorted out. That's not guidance. That's a threat dressed in uniform.
Actually, I informed you of that. I have to remind you of that. I don't intend to go into any restricted areas. I have to check in and be a visitor to pass that area. That door has a sign. It's locked. This is a public lobby. The public has a right to come in. Ma'am, who are you?
I'm the administrator of the nursing home. This isn't public.
No,
You need to go.
New York City Health and
so-
Hospitals isn't public.
You need to go,
Sir,
Please don't yell at me.
You need to go.
if they ask you to leave, and you gotta go.
Why would they ask me to leave a public building?
It's
All
not
right, they ask you to leave, you gotta go now.
We're not.
What's your name, ma'am? So I can hold you accountable
No, sir.
for soliciting a trespass from public.
You gotta go, sir.
Absolutely
Hold on,
incorrect.
I'm asking her for
You need to leave
information.
now. Thank you.
What's your name? Identify yourself so I can hold you accountable.
She doesn't have to. If it's not part of her policy. You know, obviously we have to if you ask for it, but
And
she
you're
doesn't have to.
and you're enforcing her feelings. She just. She could say anything. She could say, "I don't like him." Ask him to leave.
She works
That doesn't
here.
mean that doesn't
She
mean
works
anything.
here. She allowed to ask you to leave.
Why are you yelling? De-escalate.
That's how
You're trained
That's
to
how I
de-
talk.
Okay.
That's how he talks.
All right. Then I was mistaken. I feel like he was yelling at me.
No, that's how he
Right.
talks.
People talk
She
differently.
could be mistaken. He's a peace officer.
Okay, so
He's a peace officer.
Okay, can you
And
let me
you're-
finish?
I didn't even get to talk.
All
You're
right, let
cutting
me finish my
off.
word first, all right?
Go ahead, and I
All
hope
right,
you give me the same
She works
respect.
here as administrator.
Okay.
She is allowed to call the police
Yeah.
for somebody that's not welcome.
Okay.
If she thinks you're not welcome, she can ask you to leave. And
Okay.
you don't want to leave, we can assist you to go.
Okay, she also can be wrong. This
If
is
you
public. Can I talk? I'll let you
All right,
talk,
go,
right?
go.
She also can be wrong, right? She could be miseducated,
Finish
right?
what you're saying. Let's finish what you're
All right,
saying.
but listen to what I'm saying. Listen to understand. Don't just
Finish what your word
listen
first.
to
Then I
respond.
answer.
Then the administrator arrives and the temperature spikes. No explanation, no calm discussion, just, you need to go. The man asks for her name for accountability, but she refuses. That refusal matters because accountability is the one thing a nervous system hates when it's acting on impulse. Another officer steps in and frames it as simple. If staff says you're not welcome, you're out. But that's where the line gets dangerous because not welcome isn't a legal standard. It's a feeling. And feelings are not supposed to be enforced with badges.
Okay? She could be wrong. He's a peace officer. He said that as long as I'm in this public lobby of this public building, I have a right to be, have a right to record my peace officers in the course of their duties through the Right to Record Act, as long as I'm in a public area. That's the law. I can watch him while he's at work. This isn't a private facility. This is New York City owned and tax funded. That means I have a right to come in and conduct business. My business is investigative journalism. She's wrong.
Okay, you
And
done talking now?
You should know
You
the
done
law.
talking now?
You should know
done
the law.
talking now?
Can I speak to you? You seem a little bit more cordial. I feel like he's escalating the situation. Did anything I say?
No, yeah,
It's
I'm all
reasonable,
about,
right?
you know,
Because this is-
protecting everyone's rights. You know, everyone
Yeah.
has the
Well,
right to
it seems like he's trying to violate my rights right now.
No. So
If I was being disorderly, if I was somewhere I'm not allowed to be, then you can ask me to leave a public building. But if I'm
Absolutely.
peacefully exercising my rights, why would you ask me to leave a public facility? I'm not being disorderly, I'm not yelling, I'm not cursing. I'm peacefully taking pictures of the public information that's around. That means I have a right to be here. Through the law, and you're supposed to uphold the law, not somebody's
We are
miseducation.
upholding the law, but you gotta also understand that we're not in charge of this building. We're going based off of the best
The
information.
government is in charge of this building.
So we're going based off of the best information available. If she's saying that it's privately owned,
How is New York City, why would they have a New York City Health and Hospitals police officer stationed in a private facility? Past there is private. Past there is visitors only. This is a public lobby.
I hear you.
So how's it private? You think New York City is going to have Health and Hospitals police in a private facility? No, this is tax funded.
I hear you.
You have no business here.
I'm telling you, you've seen my business. I told you what I was going to do. 2 minutes ago, I said I'm going to take some pictures and I'll be on my way. I'm almost done with what I'm doing. I don't see what the big issue is. I'm not gathering nobody's medical information. I'm not even recording private people. I'm recording peace officers.
The man lays it out like a closing argument. He's peaceful, he's not disorderly, he's not collecting medical information, and he's documenting public officials while they're on duty. He calls it investigative journalism, watching how power behaves when it thinks nobody's watching. One officer stays calmer, trying to explain they're acting on best information available. But that excuse falls apart if the information is wrong. Because when police act on misinformation, rights don't just get brushed aside, they get stopped. And once the stomp becomes routine, the public learns to stay silent.
I'm doing it peacefully.
But they're in the background.
It's all right. I could blur faces.
Okay.
And they're still in public, though, regardless. You're recording everybody that walks into this facility. You guys are supposed to protect my rights. You're supposed to, because you swore an oath. You're supposed to, because you swore an oath. If I came in here praying and somebody didn't like my religion, you're not going to say, hey, sir, you can't pray. You're making people uncomfortable. I still have the freedom of religion. And you're supposed to protect me. I said I was going to take a couple more pictures, and I was already on my way out.
This is all public areas. As long as he doesn't enter any restricted areas, everything's public buildings. They have the right to report.
Right now, my rights are protected by 4 officers. My rights are protected.
To the director, who's just that.
She's miseducated, bro.
In the final moments, the irony hits hard. Multiple officers end up guarding the very rights they almost helped violate. Someone finally acknowledges the truth. If he stays in the public area and avoids restricted zones, he can record. And that's the real story here. Not the camera, not the lobby, not even the argument. It's how quickly authority can drift into intimidation when knowledge is weak and ego is strong. This isn't just one encounter, it's a warning. Know your rights because ignorance in uniform is not harmless. It's aggressive, and it spreads.